Hi, welcome to Jen's Daily Dish, where I bake things on camera for the very first time so you can bake along with me and learn from my mistakes. Today we're making glazed cookies and cream scones. Oh my, oh yes indeed. This has Oreos in it. Have I made this before and do I know how these are going to taste? No, of course not. That's why we're gonna bake it together. This recipe comes together very quickly. It doesn't involve any butter like scones sometimes can. Just involves some heavy cream and some crushed Oreos. What's not to like? Thank you for this song request. L is for the love of Oreos. O is the only scone I ever know. Actually, I have made a lot of other scones, but not ones with Oreos, so let's do this. First things first, preheat your oven to 425 degrees. Second thing you want to do is get your baking sheet ready to go. Crush about 10 Oreos. Use a wooden spoon. We're looking for small chunks. We don't want them smashed to smithereens. Heavy cream. Pour it over your cookies. Stir to moisten them. Confectioner sugar, flour, baking powder, salt. Whisk together. Make a hole in the center. Pour your cream mixture in that hole. Vanilla extract. Begin to stir to incorporate the two. Using your hands, gently knead it together like a dough. At this point, it should be looking like cookies and cream ice cream. If you need to add a little bit more heavy cream to get those last bits, that is okay too, but it should be coming together pretty nicely. Move your dough to your cookie sheet. At this point, it should be like a mound of dough. Cut your dough in half. It's now that we would shape it into a 5.5 inch circle, each of them, and about 3/4 of an inch thick. Cut each circle into 6 wedges. So first I'm going to cut it in half, and then just guesstimate best you can. It does not have to be perfect. Separate the wedges you made so that the scones are about 1 inch apart. Into the oven for about 14-15 minutes until they're a nice golden brown. Time's up and they are looking great. Let's take them out. Let them cool until they are barely warm because we're going to put a glaze on top with Oreos. Time for the glaze. Heavy cream. Add your confectioner sugar in. I'm hoping that this will be big enough. Vanilla. Whisk until smooth. Feel free to put it in a piping bag if you don't want to spoon it over, just to get a more exact piping here. Oreos crushed, add them to the top of your scones. Oh my, look at this glazed cookies and cream scone. Can see those layers of cookie right inside. Of course, it's got the cookies on top. It's all in the taste, so let's give it a bite. This is a fantastic scone and tastes a lot like its cookies and cream ice cream counterpart. So good, I will be making these on repeat. If I can make these glazed cookies and cream scones for the very first time with you watching me every step of the way, you can too. Don't forget to like and subscribe and check me out on Instagram and TikTok for a whole lot more.